Good afternoon. Today is the 24th of August and I'm in a place called Clacton on Sea where I was a month ago or so, and today is that air show that they had told me about. A lot more people here than Herne Bay and much more beautiful weather than Herne Bay. It's actually spectacular, almost California beach weather. It's not too hot, but there are no airplanes, I think, like in Herne Bay, so I'm probably going to be here for a couple of hours and go home.
Straight to the beach now because Steve Scruton is there, and we are just moments away from what will be a huge highlight for many people today.
Yeah, Private Brian Clark is standing directly in front of me. He's on the beach. Thousands of people behind you, Ryan, all waiting to see what you're going to do next. Is that a smoke canister?
It is, yeah. Just prepping the smoke by the guys, get ready to do their woody run, just to see what we want to do before we get out.
So that's the purpose of this exercise, that you get on. Is it time to do it?
Not quite. It'll be time when they're overhead.
Oh, okay. So as soon as the aircraft is overhead, you will be setting off the smoke canister to give them an impression of wind conditions, because that's very important, I guess, when you're jumping out of an aircraft. You want to know where you're going to land, and the wind can take you some distance away.
Oh, yeah, of course. Obviously, we have our limits with wind and things like
So, yeah, you describe today's conditions as near perfect, or what?
yeah, very good.
Okay.
I just got here. I don't know how early these folks have been here.
Where will we see the aircraft approaching from?
The same way as the helicopter came in, I believe.
So it's going to come in from the Jaywick end, so keep your eyes towards the Jaywick end for the fly past of the aircraft. And the aircraft you use, Ryan, is what's the aircraft?
It's a Cessna Fly. I believe that's what they're using today. It's pretty much a tin can with a door.
Tin can with a door. What a way to describe the Cessna.
Sylvie.